everybody, thanks for watching. I'm walking out to our 1999 Jeep Grand Cherokee. It's old but reliable and we love it. It's a good winter car for the woods in this northern state. So I just finished a periodic oil change on the Jeep, and now it's time to reset the maintenance interval light. That's up on the center console that says perform service. Well, to reset it's pretty easy, like I said earlier. You can follow the directions in your owner's manual if you want. Not everybody has an owner's manual. We do. Ours is there. But the thing you have to do is start up the car. Starts it up. Okay, and then this is called the Vehicle Information Center, if you don't know that. Once you start it up, it says perform service. Because I went down to 0 miles to next service, and you can set that for what you want. For this car, it's anywhere between, I think, 2,000 and 7,000 miles. So we're going to hit menu first, and it's going to take us through a bunch of prompts. So we speak English in our household, so we're going to select that. We like US measurements. We want auto door lock, auto unlock, yes. Remote unlock, yes. Sound the horn with lock, yep. Flashlights, okay. Headlamp delay, all service interval distance, and I'm going to step through what I want. I'm going to keep it at, let's see, 4,000, well, 3,000 miles. I'm old-fashioned. 3,000. Now I'm going to hit menu. When I hit menu, it'll ask me if I want to reset it. Reset service distance. So you saw I stepped through all the information screens, got to the mileage between service, then I hit menu again once I selected the one that I wanted it to be, I think 3,000. Reset service distance, yes. Back to menu, low fuel chime, yes. And we are done. Just to make sure, I'm turning the car off, turning it back on, and we'll see if I get a perform service. Nothing, so we did it right. So that worked out pretty good, not terribly difficult. I'm going to go ahead at the end of this video. I'm going to put the steps one by one to help you see it, or maybe I'll do it in the middle of the video when I do the editing process. But it takes about 30 seconds. If you don't know how to do it, just follow this video once and you'll probably commit it to memory, and you'll be on your merry way. Hey, I hope this video helps. If you have any questions, just put a comment down there and I'll try to answer it when I can. And as always, thanks for watching.